氷の上で片膝をつく木原龍一さんと、その前で指輪を受け取る三浦璃来さん。8月23日に公開された婚約発表の写真は、多くの人にとって、陸流のこれまでを思い返すきっかけになりました。三浦さんと木原さんは2019年にペアを結成し、海外を拠点に競技生活を続けながら、長い時間を共にしてきました。そして2026年2月のミラノコルティナ冬季オリンピックでは、日本のフィギュアスケートペアとして初めて金メダルを獲得。その後、4月に揃って現役引退を発表し、8月23日に婚約を公表しました。二人が発表した言葉は、とても落ち着いたものでした。嬉しい時も辛い時もたくさんの時間を共に過ごし、いつしかお互いにとって、かけがえのない、なくてはならない存在になった。そう説明しています。そして話題になったのが、その婚約をめぐるネット上の反応でした。祝福の声が多く寄せられる一方で、二人の婚約について否定的な意見も出ていると報じられました。そこで声を上げたのが、落語家の立川志らくさんです。8月25日、志志らくさんは自身の X で、陸流の婚約についてネガティブな意見があることに驚いたと投稿しました。そして、こんなめでたいニュースにまで文句を言う人がいるとして、そうした人たちが世の中を悪くしていることに気づいていないのではないかと指摘しています。さらに、自分が結婚するときに、全く知らない人から文句を言われたらどう思うのかと問いかけ、最後に黙っとけという強い言葉を使いました。この発言が注目されたのは、単に強い言葉だったからではありません。二人の人生に関することを、外側にいる人間がどこまで語っていいのか、その境界を、志志らくさんはかなりはっきり示したからです。もちろん、ネットでは様々な意見が出ます。けれど、本人たちが自分たちの言葉で婚約を報告し、これからも支え合いながら歩んでいきたいと伝えている以上、その言葉をまずそのまま受け取ることもできます。氷の上で長く組んできた二人が、競技生活を終えた後、新しい関係を自分たちのタイミングで公表した。そこに必要なのは、外側からの評価よりも、まず本人たちの意思を尊重することなのかもしれません。そして、この話はここから少し別のところへ向かいます。なぜ私たちは他人の幸せにまで自分の意見を重ねたくなるのでしょうか。
A single comment has suddenly become one of the most talked about reactions surrounding the engagement of Japanese figure skating pair Riku Miura and Ruchi Kihara. When news broke that the two athletes were engaged, most of the response was filled with congratulations, but alongside those messages, some critical reactions also appeared online that prompted Ryoko performer Shahura Katachikawa to respond sharply, initially asking people to imagine how they would feel if strangers criticized their own marriage. So what did a happy announcement become the subject of controversy? Miru and Kihara also spent years building their partnership on the ice since forming their pair in 2019. They have shared countless competition training sessions, victories, setbacks, or difficult moments. Their skating depends on extraordinary trust and coordination, which has naturally made many fans feel emotionally connected to their journey. That connection became even stronger after their Olympic success. For supporters who had followed them for years, the engagement announcement may have felt like another important chapter in their story they had watched develop over a time. However, some fans interpreted the announcement differently because Miura and Kihara has previously kept their personal relationship private. Certain people felt surprised and questioned whether they had misunderstood early their comments about the pair relationship. This is where the situation becomes complicated. There is an important difference between what public figures actually says and what audience believe those statement means. When celebrities or athletes choose vague wording about their private lives, different people can interpret the same sentence in completely different ways. Once new information appears, those early comments may suddenly be viewed through a completely different lens. But does being a devoted fan create a right to know everything about an athlete's private life? Probably not. Fans can feel surprised, disappointment, confused, or even emotionally overwhelmed. Those reactions are understandable. But having those feeling indifferent from directing harsh personal criticism towards the people involved, that appears to be the central point behind Tashikawa's strong response. His message was essentially a reminder to reverse the situation. Imagine announcing one of the biggest moments of the life and then seeing strange publicity judging decision. So the Miyoro Kiara engagement discussion therefore goes beyond one skating pair. It raises a broader question about the relationship between public figures and their audience. Supporting someone for years but does not necessarily mean having ownership over their personal choices. Athletes may share their performance with the world, but they still have the right to decide when and how they share their private lives. Ultimately, the engagement announcement was not made by Miyoro and Kihara themselves in their own time and in their own words. Whether someone has followed them for years and discovers them recently, perhaps the simplest response is to respect their choice and allow the people, two athletes, to begin this new chapter on their own terms. So if you like this update about Miuri and Kihara engagement criticism, so must like the video and subscribe to the channel for more video updates.